Yo, what's up, guys? This is Cameraman from Cameraman Gunpla Studio, and today we got the Verka version of RX-93 new Gundam from Bandai, and this is my review for this kit since I built it last year, 2024, 2 years ago, yes, and still holds up, but the joints for this kit is really messy and really troublesome, and even though I built it 2024, the joints are really menacing since this is already loose, and I really don't like Verka, honestly, because there are so many joint issues, especially on the legs. They're very flimsy now due to the polycaps, and for the shoulder here, it tends to flop, and I did some repair before I applied the decals, but still it's not that manageable. So there we go. And the hands for this kit is really bad. For me, the gorilla style hands is not that good. I might as you can see, it flops, it really flops. And even though Bandai or the band also copied this kind of hands, the issue is much worse in the band. So there we go. You can see there's a flop there on the wrist, very troublesome. And in the fingers, the pinky finger for this kit keeps on popping, so I might change the hands into the Dalin decal one because it's very troublesome. And there we go. We got the full appearance of this new Gundam here. And honestly, what I learned from the other vlogs is that this kit is the most favorite kit of the Japanese people. So this RX-93 new Gundam Verka. This model kit is very tall. In terms of height, this will tower most of the protagonist model kit in the Gundam franchise. But of course, if you're going to put it side by side with the antagonist kits mostly are big, and it towers most of the model kits in your shelf. But for the protagonist kits, this is the most or the tallest kit that is available, and the reason why Japanese like this because of that feature. Okay. So for example, let's compare it with one of the tall kits from Gundam Seed. So you got here the Providence Gundam. So Gundam Seed lines are, as you can see, it's only in the chest height of the new Gundam. But for the latest kits that I got here, like the Plamo Loving Alien here, Amuro Ray's Jida, so they're about, or the Jida is a bit taller than the Bandai RX-93 or the new Gundam, even though they're both Amuro Ray. So I really like that symbol, the Amuro Ray symbol. This one, the Chinese made, are now taller than the new Gundam. And again, if we're going to compare it with the Fortune Meow RX-93 new Gundam, Fortune Meow is much menacing compared with the new Gundam by Bandai. But in terms of anime accuracy, I still like the Verka because it captures the original appearance of the new Gundam for me. So let's have a quick discussion about the movement of this kit. So this kit is really menacing, In terms of articulation, this is good, but the joints are very flimsy right now. So there we go. This shoulder here is a bit tight. I wish the tightness of the shoulders are also the same with the knees, because the knees is really loose for this kit. So there we go. It can rotate 360 degrees, but I will not force it to do because the joint here is really tight. I might break those pegs. And for the elbows, this is about 180 degrees if you bend it like that. Okay. The wrist is really troublesome. I will not remove the rifle because it's very hard to attach, and the pinky finger here keeps on flopping. So there we go. We got a new decals there. I applied Dalin decals there, Chinese characters, because I really like those blank space to have decals. So there we go. And for the knees, this is the one I'm talking about. It's very loose, as you can see, very loose, and it keeps on flopping. And for the hands here, or for the feet here, it can move sideways like that, and it can also do some plantar flex and plantar extend. So for the weapons here, this is the shield. So I really like the Amarore crest there, and I applied another Chinese character there. This very glossy slide decals. And for the weapon, we got the bazookas. Bazooka here is very nice. It can also extend, and there so can extend and retract, but I think I destroyed it. Okay, so there we go. You can extend it and it can retract, so just be careful when pulling it because everything here is a bit fragile. There we go. So hold it tight here and pull. Oops. Okay, so that's it. There. And for the fin funnels, I only make 3 of this, and the other 3 I attach to the narrative Gundam. So there, it can fold like this, and it can be like this. Okay, so if you want to attach it, there are connectors like this on each side, so you can attach it by clipping it like this, and the other one, clip it like that. So it's a bit loose, by the way, very loose, the connectors, and you can clip it here on this tab here, just like that. Oops. Okay, so now it's attached, and there we go. The clips are really loose, which I don't like because I don't like loose clips. So I might put some joint tighteners there, and this one can attach on the back like this. Okay, And there we go. The shield can be attached on the forearm here. Okay. So I can attach it like that, and that's it. Okay, so let's have a quick comparison from this kit to the Fortune Meow. First thing is, Fortune Meow is taller than the RX-93 new Gundam Verka, and the details for this kit is really superb, but the face doesn't capture the majestic face of the original RX-93 new Gundam. I still like this kind of face because this is the original, and it is more fierce than the bootleg. And for the fin funnels, the fin funnels design is very nice, superb. This one is toyish and simple, but it captures the anime accuracy. For the legs, the legs are really tight on this kit, so they are very supportive with the weight issue of this kit, whereas this one is very flimsy. Flimsiness on this Bandai is really worst. Okay. And for the weapons for the Fortune Meow is very superb, very cool. Unlike this one, very clean and simple. For the shield here is really awesome, simple, elegant, and nice. But this one, it's just simple, but the crest made it more nice. And for the forearms, the instruction manual from the Fortune Meow, this should be right, but in the original Bandai, that should be on the left, where the beam sabers are stored. But it's not a problem, since you can interchange this into this, and you have also a clip intended for this kind of arm for the shield to be attached, so it's not a problem. So at least it doesn't copy the full style of RX-78 or RX-93 new Gundam. And for the connection on the fin funnels, this one has a secured connection, whereas this one is very flimsy. But overall, I much like both of them because they represent each advantage. Like this one, it represents very good detail, and this one, it represents the anime accuracy and the original Bandai look for the model. So they're both buyable to me, so you can buy both or just choose which one you like to collect. So again, thank you so much for watching this review for the RX-93 new Gundam by Bandai and Fortune Meow. So thank you so much, and bless.